For the last couple of years, Instagram Reels have dominated social media conversations. There has never been a faster way to grow your following and connect with your ideal clients and customers than there is through Instagram Reels. But there is a new kid on the block. Facebook Reels were released in September 2021, and one question on everyone's mind is, which one is better? In this video, I am breaking down all the pros and cons of Instagram and Facebook Reels so you can choose the best one for your business. So let's dive in. My name is Jordan Maylea, co-founder of the Global Freedom Community alongside my mom and business partner, Kathy Schneider. Together, we help female entrepreneurs create laptop lifestyle using profitable habits and evergreen marketing strategies so you can create consistent revenue without stress and overwhelm. If you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button. We put out great new videos on this channel every single week, and I don't want you to miss the next free training we release. Okay, I have a confession to make. When someone asks us which is better, Facebook or Instagram Reels, we have one answer. If you're using one, you might as well be using both. Right now, Reels are the only way to grow your following on Facebook passively by letting the algorithm do the work for you. When you post a reel to Facebook, the algorithm will push it out to people who don't know you, giving you a chance to connect with your ideal clients and customers without having to actively seek them out. If you are building a business on Facebook at all, Reels should definitely be a part of your strategy. And if you're not using Facebook to build your business, I have to ask, why not? My mom and I built our brand to 7 figures in sales exclusively using Facebook. And if you've heard that Facebook is dead and it's no longer relevant in online marketing, I'm here to tell you it's simply not true. At the time of this recording, Instagram and TikTok are both logging right at 1 billion monthly active users, while Facebook is knocking on the door of 3 billion monthly active users. No matter what you've heard, those numbers don't lie. Facebook is still the largest social media platform in the world with more features than any other platform out there. So, that being said, why not just focus on Facebook Reels and forget about Instagram and TikTok altogether? Something my mom and I learned a long time ago when it comes to creating content is that you should be spending 30% of your time creating content and 70% of your time promoting it. Let me explain. The beauty of TikTok and Reels for both Instagram and Facebook is that they are primarily shown to people who aren't following you. They each open up huge opportunities to expand your reach and gain new followers. And it's actually really easy to take the same reel and upload it to each platform in a matter of minutes. Posting the video in all 3 places triples your chances of going viral and getting seen by your perfect people. If a piece of content has the ability to be posted and promoted in multiple places, why go to all the trouble creating a video and not maximize its chances of exposure? But this does bring up another question. Which platform should you use to create your reels? There are so many options when it comes to creating short vertical videos. You can create them inside the Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok platforms directly, or you can use a third-party app. TikTok has a ton of features. It is the original viral short video platform after all, but just make sure that you are creating videos in TikTok and reposting them to Facebook or Instagram without the TikTok watermark. Both Facebook and Instagram have publicly said that posting a reel to either platform with the TikTok logo will throttle your reach, and it's technically against their policies and procedures. You can either avoid having the TikTok logo on your video altogether by recording your screen before posting the video, or you can remove it by using a third-party app like Snaptic or Capwing. If you want to see how easy it is to create your video on one platform and save it to your phone with sound, but without the TikTok or Instagram logos, I did a full tutorial for you, which you can watch right here. I will also link it below for you as well. You can also use third-party apps to create your reels. Capwing has some really great features, and it's available on both mobile and desktop. InShot is also a great app for creating and editing short vertical videos from your phone. My mom uses Canva to create most of her reels, which is also a really great option. If choosing between creating a reel natively inside Instagram or Facebook, I prefer to create my reels in Instagram save them to my phone, and then upload them to Facebook like I share in the tutorial I mentioned earlier. Since Instagram Reels have been around a little longer, the in-app editing features on Instagram tend to be a little better than Facebook's, and they're a lot less glitchy. Also, because there are a lot more Reels on Instagram than Facebook right now, the music and trending sound selection tends to be a lot better over on Instagram. Inside the Instagram app, you can create Reels with up to 60 seconds of footage using the Reels camera. You can also stitch multiple clips together into a single reel by recording multiple clips or selecting pre-recorded videos or photos that have been saved to your camera roll. Another reason to post your video in both places is because when you consistently post Reels to Facebook, you open up an opportunity to be invited to their new Facebook Reels bonus program where Facebook actually pays you cold hard cash. No, I'm not kidding, just for creating Reels. I have been a member of this bonus program for a little over a month and have already made several $100s from Facebook. So if you want the details on how this program works, how to snag an invite, and all the details behind it, be sure to check out this video. We are all about working smarter, not harder, and getting the most bang for your buck anytime you're creating content. The bottom line is create one reel and then post it to Instagram, Facebook, and even TikTok for maximum reach. Posting is the easiest part. It's the creating that takes the most time, so why not post it everywhere you can to make that time worth your effort? Reels are a really great strategy for growing an audience on social media, but they are not the only strategy that you should be using. At the end of the day, you need to have a posting plan that not only attracts new viewers, but also converts viewers into followers, followers into leads, and leads into sales. If you want to see the social media posting plan we use and recommend to our clients, check out our free, profitable social media posting plan. Inside, you will get a day-by-day posting schedule for both Facebook and Instagram and Facebook stories, along with some of the best tips to maximize the time you're spending on social media every single week. You can download the guide absolutely free at globalfreedomcommunity.com/post, and I will link it below for you as well. All right, that's all I got for today. If you want to learn more about Facebook and Instagram Reels, check out this playlist for all of our recent videos on this topic. Just don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go so you'll be notified the next time we release a new video on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.